Hey everyone, just a quick short tutorial to help you really maximize the use of this support group over the next 14 plus days. So you received an invitation to this group by way of Facebook or maybe a link in an email. Doesn't matter how you got here, you're here. And now you want to make sure that you really are able to access this group easily and really not miss any notifications. So we're going to go over that quickly now. The first thing you're going to want to do once you're here is go to your notifications here at the top. And this is going to default to probably highlights. You just want to take a moment to make sure that you've clicked all posts. That way you're going to see everything that I post over the next couple of weeks, as well as shares from everybody else in the group. You're going to learn from one another equally as much as you will learn from me. So really just allow yourself to be immersed in this space. The second thing you're going to want to do is pin this group to your shortcuts. And you're going to do that by clicking more here at the top. And you're just going to select pin to shortcuts. So this is taking just a minute to load. And then what that's going to do, if you're on desktop here, is it's going to pull this group to the very top. So when you log into Facebook, this is going to be the very first thing you see here over on the left-hand side under shortcuts. So I can quickly and easily access our support group. Facebook is a busy, loud place. It's easy to get distracted and get lost and lose things. So this is a really easy way to make sure that you can access our group easily every time you log into your computer. A couple of other really quick things over here on the left-hand side, you're gonna be able to access our members. I absolutely encourage you guys to all send one another friend requests. I think it's a great way to stay connected with a group of like-minded people on a similar journey. The next thing is events. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see that we have 3 events. They're all scheduled on Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. These are just going to be live Q&A sessions here in the group. So it's an awesome opportunity to hop on live if you're able, and if you're not, no big deal. Just ask the questions that you do have in the group, and I will be sure to address those on the live video. These recordings will remain in the group as well. So again, if you cannot make it live, don't stress, but know that these are in here, and if you're able to, I recommend marking your calendar and attending. The last thing is going to be files. So I'm going to click here. Everything that you really need is in your membership site. So your membership hub on my website where you registered for this program, everything that you really need as far as resources is there. But I've also uploaded here as a part of this group support a couple of meal planning templates, so you can access those just by clicking here. If you're a pen and paper person, awesome. Or if you prefer to type and have an Excel spreadsheet, that resource is there for you as well. So that's all I have. I'm really excited to support everyone through this 14 plus days. And every question that you have, make sure that you bring it here.